Okay. Guapo. Zerus gets a virus. Let's have a look. What's in here? What are Zerus and Ona doing?
Pintando.
Pintando.
Muchos gatitos.
They are drawing. What are they drawing?
Gatitos.
A lot of
No.
cats.
Son gatitos.
Wow, so many.
Estas son caritos.
Yes. And what are these?
Gatitos.
Gatitos? I don't think these are gatitos. What are these?
Tiene muchos ojos.
Yes, but look. What do they have in the eyes?
Dojo.
Yes. And that means they are what? Are they viruses? Yes. And what are the viruses doing? What do they have?
¿Para qué la tijera?
I don't know. What are the scissors for? Let's have a look in the next page.
Okay.
Come, let's go to the next page. What happens here? Look, Zerus is not feeling well, right?
Se caga la pelota.
No siente bien, sí. ¿Qué le pasa a Zerus? ¿Está malito? Is he sick?
Amarillo y azul.
Yes,
Azul.
yes. I think his head is spinning, right?
Yeah.
¿Le da vueltas la cabeza?
Sí.
Oh, he needs help, okay?
Y mira, le gustan los colores.
Yes, he's coloring, but look, here it's all going black and white. He's losing his colors. Está perdiendo los colores, okay? Look, Ona is saying, calm down and let's get out of here. Something tells me that you've got a virus and you never can tell
Wow. ¿Qué?
what a virus will do next.
Le gustan los gatitos.
Yes, they like the cats. Le gustan los gatitos, okay?
Porque lo contan.
I think they are naughty. They are naughty, zeros and ones, okay? And they like to destroy things. And look, this one here. Wow, I think she's trying to hurt Zerus. Right? He's gonna break the bulb.
No.
Va a romper la bombilla.
¿Por qué?
I think he's naughty. So malo, okay?
Porque son malos.
Yeah, I don't know. They want to destroy things. Let's have a look. What happens next? Quick, let's get on. Zerus, you never can tell. What a...
¿Este es Zerus?
Yes, that's Zerus. And Ona? It's next to him, right?
Los guitarritas.
Yes.
¿Por qué?
Ona está detrás, okay? Yeah, she's in the back. They are looking at the picture. Okay. What is the Ona doing here? He's browsing through one book, right? And then she's discovering that the viruses can enter a computer via the emails. Yeah, that's right, okay? And what is Zerus singing? This pixel is...
Blue.
That pixel is...
Where?
Zerus hummed in his dreams. Wake up, Zerus, said Ona cheerfully. I know a place where they might be able to cure you. We are going on a trip.
Tienen afuera.
Yes.
¿Qué buenos Zerus?
Where are they going? ¿Dónde?
Tenemos que poner aquí.
Here it says the emails, okay? Los emails.
Este está bueno un poquito.
Yes, that's right. This one here is a little bit sick as well, I think. And also this one, right? And what happens here with this one? And are the viruses in this picture? Are they big or small?
More.
Small, tiny, tiny. Let's go to the next page. Where are they here? Okay. Bling, bling.
Plum, plum,
Plonk.
plum.
Look, they're telling Postbit that Zerus is not feeling very well. but they don't know anything about it. Huh? What's in here? Yes, the cats that Zerus likes, right? What a coincidence.
¿Qué está haciendo este?
I
Con el
think
gatito.
they are organizing the cats, okay? They are organizing them. Let's have a
Okay.
look. Let's have a look. Maybe I think they are creating some albums, okay? Look, they are all bringing all these cat pictures to an album. You see, they are all here busy with it. Downloading cat pictures. from the
Dice
emails.
Zero con la mano.
Yes, he's pointing, right?
¿Y se veía?
Yeah, that's right. And he might be saying something about cats, right?
Claro.
Clang clang.
Glum, glum, glum.
Yeah. Wow.
Se han con la cuesta.
Yeah, they're traveling. They're traveling around around the computer. That's right. And now they arrive at the search engine. Okay. And then Ona says, "Dear searcher bit, Zerus has got a virus." Oh no, that's bad. Look what he's doing with his hands. Okay. Wow. Let's see.
Dice este.
What is Zerus? What is he doing? Yay! He's jumping and clapping at the same time, huh?
Sí.
Is he happy?
Ya.
¿Está contento? Wow! Okay, so lots of searcher bits here were infected by a virus too. Continued searcher bit.
También.
También gay also.
¿Por qué?
It could be the same viruses. And you see what? They were downloading cat pictures from the internet. Look, these pictures here. They were downloading them.
¿Cómo se llaman?
Well, look, this is called the Persian cat. They always seem grumpy and disappointed. You like the Persian cat?
No.
No. The Siberian? You like the Siberian cat?
No.
You like the Maine Coon?
No.
You like the Scottish Fold?
¿Cómo se llama este?
Maine Coon.
Mancón.
Mm-hmm.
Pelota cero Mancón. Pelota Mancón.
The same as Zerus?
Sí.
Oh, that's cute. The virus came in one of the cat pictures. Search a bit site. What? Said Ona. Can a virus enter a computer that's downloading pictures from the internet? Oh, it looks like, okay. Look, this is the picture. What are these? Here.
Zeros and one por el N.
Yeah, zeros and ones.
Y mira.
Let's see, they are telling them to go to the antivirus, okay? You know who lives in the antivirus, Dr. Bit. Let's see. Let's go to the antivirus.
Okay.
Come on, Zerus. We are going
Nothing.
on a trip. Glick, glick, look, look.
Look.
At last, Zerus and Ona.
¿Esto qué?
That's a bot, okay?
¿Esto?
That's a worm.
¿Esto?
And that's a Trojan.
¿El español?
Troyano.
¿Esto?
Gusano.
¿De español?
Bot también.
¿Pues también?
Yeah, you say the same as in English. Wait here. Wait, look. What happens with these zeros and ones? Are they sick? Wow.
Mira este.
Anda, what's going on with his eyes? Yeah, that's right, that's right, that's right. And this, I think they're waiting, right? Are they waiting?
Yeah.
They're waiting for Dr. Bit, right? Look, Zerus is saying, what about my cat pictures? Zerus mumbled to himself, I'm confused, I'm tired, I'm hungry. I need microchips. I need a mega bag of microchips. Dear Dr. Bit, Zerus has got a virus, said Ona. Let's have a look at you, said Dr. Bit. How are you feeling, little Zerus? My RGBs are gone, so is my sense of color, and my head is spinning. What's that?
No lo sé.
It's a map.
Sí, es de otra vez.
Is Dr. Bit? Yes. This is his office, right? And look, he has some what?
Pececitos.
Some fish. Yeah, pececitos. This is a map of the motherboard. That's where Zerus and Ona live, okay? Ah! And then look, Dr. Bit says, aha! It looks like you were infected by a virus inside of the cat pictures. No need to worry, little Ona, said Dr. Bit, patting her gently. I have what Zerus needs, the optimum backup potion. 4 drops of this potion will make you healthy again. Yay! Zerus is having the potion. He's taking the potion home, right? Here. You see? It's a big potion, huh? And he's saying, for now, let's go home and forget about cats. I can't wait to get my RGBs back. And what are they doing? Zerus is healthy again, Kate. Right? He's happy. What is he doing?
Pintando gatitos con los colores.
Which colors are these?
Rojo, azul,
Red.
A mí me gustan estos colores.
Yes, you like those colors?
Sí. Me gusta pintar de colores.
You wanna color tomorrow?
Ahora.
Ahora? Okay. Then let's close the book. Let's close the book first, and we can color a little bit before we go to bed.
Ya.
Yeah?
Vale.
Okay. Colorín colorado.